Have you ever noticed that two people can ask an AI the same question and get completely different quality answers? The difference isn't luck. It's technique. Today you'll learn the 5 prompt engineering patterns that cover 90% of everything you'll ever need. Welcome to Golden Concepts by Uplatz, where we teach you the few ideas that matter most in every technology. First, what is a prompt? It's simply the instruction you give an AI. And prompt engineering is the skill of writing instructions that get reliable, high-quality results. It sounds fancy, but it comes down to a handful of proven patterns. Let's go through them. Pattern 1, Zero-shot prompting. This is the simplest form. You just ask, with no examples. Translate this sentence. Summarize this article. Modern AI is powerful enough that for common tasks, a clear, direct request is all you need. The rule here: be specific. Don't say make this better. Say rewrite this email to be shorter and more polite. Pattern 2, Few-shot prompting. Sometimes telling isn't enough, you need to show. In few-shot prompting, you give the AI 2 or 3 examples of input and desired output before your real request. For instance, here are 3 product descriptions in our brand voice, now write a 4th one for this new product. The AI picks up the pattern from your examples, including format, tone, and style. This is the single fastest way to control output format. Pattern 3, Chain of thought. For reasoning problems, math, or logic, add one simple instruction: think step by step before answering. This forces the AI to work through the problem in stages instead of jumping to a conclusion. Accuracy on complex questions improves dramatically, because each step builds on a checked previous step. Pattern 4, Role prompting. Tell the AI who it should be. You are an experienced employment lawyer. You are a primary school science teacher. A role sets the vocabulary, the depth, and the perspective of the answer all at once. One sentence of role can replace a paragraph of instructions. Pattern 5, Structured output. Tell the AI exactly what shape you want the answer in. Respond in a table with 3 columns. Give me valid JSON with these fields. Answer in exactly 5 bullet points. AI follows format instructions remarkably well, and structured output is what makes AI responses usable inside real applications. Now, the secret professionals know: these patterns stack. A real production prompt might combine a role, 2 examples, step-by-step thinking, and a required output format, all in one. That's not complicated. That's just 4 simple patterns working together. Here is your golden tip. Keep a prompt library. Every time a prompt works well, save it. Great teams don't rewrite prompts from scratch, they reuse and refine proven ones. Your best prompts are assets, treat them like code. Let's wrap up with the golden concept in one line. Prompt engineering is not magic words. It's 5 patterns: ask clearly, show examples, demand steps, assign a role, and fix the format. Next in Golden Concepts, embeddings, how AI turns meaning itself into numbers, and why that one idea powers search, recommendations, and chat with your documents. Subscribe to Uplatz, and master the concepts that matter.